You will have seen it everywhere if you're on Instagram, and that is like a link in the bio. Usually people will use a link tree, and when someone goes onto Linktree, there's like a ton of different buttons that will take you to, let's say, an affiliate store for the influencer, or maybe they've got a site, maybe they've got like an about me or whatever it is. There'll be a ton of different links. Sometimes it's discount codes as well. Now, you can do this on Squarespace. You don't need a third-party software. So if you already have a site and you want people to be able to click and have that same experience as a Linktree or any similar software, then you can do that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up that Instagram-specific landing page. So when someone clicks the link in the bio, they'll have all the options to click and see all the different links that you want them to see. I wanted to start off on my website to show you that I actually do this. If we go into pages and then we go down to connect with Sam, you can see here, it doesn't look like much on desktop, but for mobile, this is the perfect Instagram landing page, or it's the perfect simple one anyway. So headshot of me, who I am, what the point of this page is, and then just simple buttons as links. So basically, to give you some context, I often sign off Instagram for like a month or 2 months at a time. And this is a really good link to have to allow people to connect with me. So I'll add this into my bio, I'll put a link in my story and say, hey guys, connect with me. And this is how to do it. So you can use it for that, or you can just have it as your link in bio option as well. So let's build this out. If we go into edit here, I'm going to build it out underneath. If we just quickly click on mobile, you can see what the setup is here. So let's put a section underneath. We're going to start off with a blank section, and we'll edit that section and we'll make that bright. There we go. That's just to match my color palette. And then you can see we've got image, text, and then button blocks. So we'll start with the image, pop that in like so. Make sure that's in the middle. And then we'll use a text block underneath that. Drag that down. We'll sit it one grid space to the side like this. And then we'll just duplicate that text block, sit that under there, and we'll make that one narrower on each side. Under that, we're going to then want our buttons. So add a block, button, bring this down, and then drag that out. And then all we need to do is duplicate this however many times that we want. So this one could be visit my store. This one could be 10% off at, let's just say Google. And then we can do another one beneath that says my YouTube channel. Brilliant. Okay. So we'll add an image in. In this case, we can upload or we can select from the library. I'll select from the library and I'll just look for Sam. So I'll look for a headshot of me. Or this will do. This makes me look really cool because I'm standing on stage. So then we'll make that a circle. Lovely jubbly. And we're going to center align this. And we'll say Sam Crawford. And then we're going to make this, let's say I'll make it a H1, why not? H1, make it a bit bigger so it fits in. And then put that in the middle. Now, what you can do also is stretch the text. So if I click on the stretch here, it stretches out to the side and we can make that smaller. And then connect with me using the links below. Keep up to date. You can write whatever you want in here. Make that center aligned as well, and then you would just add in your links. So double click on the button, attach a link, and then we just do /store if it's on the site and make sure that doesn't open up in a new tab. 10% off of Google. This would be your affiliate link, so google.com, and you can put a ref equals Sam or whatever you want in there. Open the new tab, and then YouTube would be just YouTube.com, and my channel is @bycrawford. If I could spell @bycrawford, open a new tab, Lovely jubbly. Now we need to double check this on mobile. You can see you've got the mobile notification there. So we'll click on that. And you can see this needs a little bit of work. So I'm going to make this a tad smaller on each side. I'm going to do the same here. And then I'm going to drop this down one and drag that out. And then if I highlight both of these, I can bring, oops, let's try that again. Highlight both of these, bring them down and stretch them out. There we go. So you can see pretty much exactly the same. I've changed the font on this slightly, but it's completely up to you how you approach that. So once you're happy, all you need to do, hit save and you're good to go. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.